Here's how to use text-to-speech in CapCut. Now, if you're in CapCut and you wanted to write out something and then you wanted to say it as well, translate that text into speech, I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's open up CapCut and tap New Project. And I'm going to bring in this video of the waterfall. Now on here, I'm going to tap on text at the bottom left, and I'm going to hit add text, and I can just add whatever I want. It doesn't really matter here. I'm just going to say, hi, waterfall, exclamation point. Now I'm going to hit the check mark here, and you can see I can expand this out to the entire video if I want, or I can add a bunch of different text bubbles on here. But now that I've selected this text, you can see at the bottom right here is text-to-speech. I can tap on it, and it gives me a bunch of different options in terms of voices. So I can choose on any of these. And
Hi, waterfall. Hi, waterfall.
Hi, waterfall.
Hi, waterfall.
I like this Lord Cringe. So that's a pretty good one. Of course, you can select various voices. You can hit apply to all. If you have a bunch of different text boxes that you want to apply this to throughout your video. And then of course you can choose English or Spanish or whatever. But let's just hit OK. And you can see now at the beginning, let me turn this volume up. I can hit this.
Hi, waterfall.
And it basically translates the text into speech. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.